friends, Tandy here with the Clean Loft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the bathroom sink area from top to bottom. This is part of a bathroom series where I go into detail showing you how to clean different areas in the bathroom, like the toilet seat, inside out, the bathtub, everything included. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. Remember to subscribe for more videos if you haven't done so already. Without further ado, this is what you need to clean the bath sink area. Bathroom cleaner. I'm using my DIY product made with 2 simple ingredients. Check the link below for the recipe. Window cleaner of your choice. For the tools, you need 2 microfiber towels, one for wet wiping and another one for polishing. Non-scratch sponge. Last but not least, you can use a small brush. It can be a toothbrush, an old one or a new, or better still, this danger brush. I cannot do without this brush in my caddy. It's a must-have. So keep on watching and I'll show you where you will use this unlikely tool when it comes to cleaning the bath sink. First things first, I'm going to wet a microfiber towel and start removing all the items on the surfaces. And as I do, I'll wipe them as much as I can because they are very dusty. I'm also giving a good wipe to the toothbrush holder and soap dispenser bottle. These items get so dirty since they are used a lot. And also, if you got children coming into your bathroom like mine, things can get so messy. Now that the surfaces are free, with a tightly squeezed microfiber towel folded in a square shape so I can flip when the other side gets dirty, and with lights switched off, I will clean the light fixtures, gently wiping since they are delicate. Please note, always clean from top to bottom because if you start from bottom and go to the top, guess what? The dirt will fall to the bottom where you have cleaned already. Before I get to cleaning the mirror, I'll go ahead and wipe the frame. Onto the mirror now. I spray the window cleaner and with a dry microfiber towel start wiping using an S pattern. That way I won't miss any areas and it's faster. After doing the first wiping, I flip my towel to the dry side and buff or polish to give the mirror a sparkling finish. The next step is to wipe down the hand towel holder and backsplash or walls just below the mirrors because this area tend to get messy from toothpaste, splashes, soap, etc. Don't forget the light and sockets covers if there are any on your walls by the sink. If you're going to use my DIY cleaner, do not spray a lot because it foams and a little goes a long way. I clean the water fixture first and use the denture brush to clean around the tight areas. I'll go ahead and clean the rest of the sink with a sponge and around the drainage as well. Generously rinse all the soapy areas and wipe. I'm gonna let the sink and surfaces dry out and go on to cleaning the cabinets, then come back to disinfect and polish. For the cabinets, I'm using all-purpose cleaner and give it a good wipe. Make sure you wipe the top of the door cabinets and in between cabinets because these areas get dirty and are mostly left behind when cleaning. Also, most people skip wiping below the cabinets, yet this area accumulates dirt, dust, cobwebs if not cleaned. So I'll go ahead and work on that before I forget as well. At this point, the big job is done, so I'll go ahead and put the hand towel and start my favorite thing. I spray a little bit of the window cleaner on the counters and fixtures And with a dry microfiber towel, begin polishing the same way I did the wiping from top to bottom using the S pattern. I'm sure by now you'll know what that is. The fixtures are the highlight of the sink area, so give them a royal treatment by polishing well till they are sparkling just like so. Since I'm done with all my cleaning, I'm putting back all the items on the counters. This is a pro tip. For good and easy organizing, I like to put my cosmetics in a small tray and put away anything I don't use every day under the sink. That way my counters looks neat and tidy. That's it, friends. Check out the transformation. It's superb. You can try this at home. My job is done here. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something today, and also remember to subscribe for more videos and to click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.